Hello. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to auto level a board using a program called bCnc for your CNC machine. My setup is pretty simple. I basically have a 3-axis machine, and I run it with an Arduino and Gerbil 1.1, and a friend of mine asked me to do some artwork on a skateboard, and up to that point I'd only done flat surfaces. But here, as you can see, this program, bCnc, it's a G-code sender that has an auto level feature on it. This is open source software, so it's completely free to use. There is a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm going to try to make some more videos that kind of goes a little bit more in depth about how to use these features. But you can download this from GitHub, and long and short of it is you just go here, you open the file that you're wanting to cut, and what you can do after that is you can actually see here we've got margins that are set up in here for the the total area of your stock, and your G-code, maximum points on your G-code. And what you can do is you can hit margin right up here, and it'll automatically load those numbers into this. And then to set how frequently you want it to probe, you can adjust this right here, and it will right now it'll adjust about every 9 millimeters on the X and about 9 millimeters on the Y. So it's relative. Once you figure out how to use this, it's relatively easy. And since I learned how to do this, I've been probing each board that I do now. It does take a little time. Of course, the bigger this number is, the longer it's going to take. This particular skateboard's been at it already for an hour and 46 minutes, and there's still 30 minutes left to go. So about about 2 hours 15 minutes to do this skateboard. I'm going to try to make some more videos. It goes a little bit more in depth and step by step on how to do this if anybody's interested. I just thought it was a great feature, a pretty good find. I ran across it when I was trying to search for a way to alter the G-code. I came across other people that said use Mach 3, use Linux CNC, which is a completely different setup from what I've got. But I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, so this works for me right now. Of course, that could change as time goes on, but and you can also want to set your minimum and maximum Z travel. Obviously, there's going to be low points, and there's going to be high points. And as you can watch the machine travel, I mean, it follows along the curvature of the skateboard, and then it records that number over here to see what the difference is. And then when you run your program, it will actually adjust the G-code in your program to match the levels that you have here. So just a short, quick video. I may try to do a few more step-by-steps on this, depending on how much time I've got. But anyway, thanks for watching.